Chillaxed Landscaping, your guide to a low-maintenance oasis. In today's fast-paced world, the desire for a serene retreat within our own homes has never been more essential. Enter the concept of a chillaxed yard, an inviting outdoor space that embodies relaxation while requiring minimal upkeep. If you're looking to transform your outdoor environment into a haven of tranquility, this guide on low-maintenance landscaping is your gateway to effortless enjoyment. Embrace low-maintenance landscaping. Opting for low-maintenance landscaping doesn't mean sacrificing beauty or functionality. Instead, it allows you to create an outdoor sanctuary that requires less time and effort to maintain. By selecting native plants and drought-resistant species, you can cultivate a vibrant garden that thrives naturally in your local climate. This approach not only reduces water consumption, but also fosters sustainable landscaping practices, contributing to the well-being of the environment. Easy gardening for busy lives. For those with hectic schedules, easy gardening is a game changer. Consider incorporating perennials, which return year after year with minimal intervention, or using ground covers to minimize weeding and watering needs. With the right garden design ideas, you can create a stunning landscape that complements your lifestyle while allowing you more time for relaxation and leisure. outdoor inspiration for relaxed spaces. A chillaxed yard is about more than just plants, it's about crafting a space that encourages unwinding. Think about adding features such as comfortable seating areas, soothing water elements, or even a cozy fire pit. These elements transform your backyard into a relaxation hub, perfect for unwinding after a long day or entertaining friends and family. The key is to create outdoor inspiration that resonates with your personal style while promoting a sense of calm. Designing hassle-free gardens. When it comes to garden design ideas, simplicity is key. Choose a layout that flows naturally, reducing the need for intricate maintenance. Incorporating hardscaping elements like pathways, patios, or decorative stones can enhance your space while providing functional areas that require little upkeep. Additionally, utilizing raised beds or container gardens can simplify your gardening efforts, making it easier to manage your plants while still achieving a lush landscape. backyard relaxation your personal retreat. Ultimately, the goal of a chillaxed yard is to cultivate an environment where you can escape the stresses of daily life. Whether you're enjoying a morning coffee surrounded by fragrant blooms or hosting evening gatherings under the stars, your outdoor space should inspire relaxation. By focusing on effortless landscaping solutions and incorporating elements that soothe the senses, you can transform your backyard into a personal retreat that invites tranquility. In conclusion, embracing the principles of low-maintenance landscaping allows you to enjoy a beautiful and sustainable yard without the hassle. With thoughtful design and a focus on easy gardening, you can create relaxed spaces that bring joy and serenity to your life. So roll up your sleeves, get inspired, and start your journey toward a chillaxed yard that reflects your style and enhances your well-being.